Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, well, before we start this presentation, let me introduce the member of this group. There is Reka Melinda, Denisa Aprilia Putri, Nisa Soliha, and Raudatul Jannah. And okay, let's start this presentation. For the first, I will explain about the selected article. There is 4 articles that we choose as our group comprehends. For the first article is the portrayal of discrimination towards female characters in the Hidden Figures movie. And the second article is racism towards African American in Peter Farrelly Green Book, A True Story. And the third article is racial discrimination as in Stockett the Help. And the last article or the fourth article is an analysis of the racial discrimination suffered by Edgar Allan in John Neufeld Edgar Allan. Okay, next. I will explain about the abstract. Okay, for the first article, this study discussed discrimination issue that occur in Black female character in the film Hidden Figure. The study aims to describe and explain the type of discrimination and their impact of the character of Black women. The researchers use qualitative research method and a feminism literary criticism approach in carrying out this research. The data in the study comes from the narration and dialogue in the film script related to the formulation of the problem. The result of the study indicated that three are two types of discrimination depicted in the film, namely derogation and rejection. The result of the study also showed the impact of discrimination of the character of Black women found in the psychological and economic fields. And for the second article, the study aims to describe racial discrimination against Africa in the Green Book, a film by Peter Farrelly. This film is based on the true story of social life in America during the reign of Jim Crow laws in 1962. Therefore, the author used a qualitative descriptive method with a sociological approach to describe acts of racism against people of color in America at the time as depicted in the film. The results show that the historical context of Jim Crow laws, racial discrimination, differences between the white and people of color are reflected in the film as in history. Plots of racial injustice escalate in every state where the concert was held. They went from the area to area, further into deep south. And for the third article, the study aims to reveal racial discrimination from the white race to the black race as seen in the novel The Help by Catherine Stockett. By applying qualitative research, the result of the study show how racial discrimination in South America, especially in Jackson, Mississippi. The novel used by the researchers is representation of how the situation was during the Jim Crow law era, where all aspects and accommodation, both black and white, were separate for equality, but didn't show the same treatment for the black race. And the last article is the study aims to reveal about the discrimination of skin color by Edgar Allan in the novel written by John Neufeld by applying a descriptive qualitative approach to depicting how the inappropriate treatment received by the black people. Okay, each of these four articles has more or less the same goal, namely to reveal discrimination between white American and black Africa, or we can call the colored. It's just that for the second article, that explanation of his research is more detailed by the analyst. Okay, that's it for me. The next will be explained by Reka Melinda.
Okay, thank you, Denisa. Okay, I will explain about the introduction next. Okay, the first article is racial discrimination as in is Stockett the Help. The initial discussion in the introductory part of this article is about right, where every human being in this world has the same right to be treated fairly. Okay. The second article is racism toward African American in Peter Farrelly's Green Book, a true story. Earlier in this article, in the United States, there was a law called Jim Crow laws, which was in effect until 1965. The law that separated African Americans, where only white people could only have access to also use better public facilities. Okay, next. Next. Okay. The third article is the portrayal of discrimination toward female character in the Hidden Figures movie. First, the researcher focused on the inequality faced by black female character in the Hidden Figure film Black, where they made a lower class of people who did not deserve to the life with white people. And the last article is an analysis of the racial discrimination suffered by Edgar Allan in John Neville. Edgar Allan. At the beginning of the intro, the researcher discussed the definition of race according to Cheney, human life based on the power group. The bigger the power group, the more powerful it is, so that we get social injustice. Okay, that's all for me. It's
Okay,
all.
thank you, Reka, for the explanation. And next will be explained by Nisa Saliha. Okay, Nisa, please.
Okay, then we talk about the method. Next. Okay, because one article doesn't have a methodology chapter, therefore we will only load from 3 articles. First, an analysis of the racial discrimination suffered by Edgar Allan in John Neville Edgar Allan. The writer uses the descriptive qualitative method where the researcher examines the data by describing and analyzing it in detail. The data are analyzed in the form of word, phrase, sentences, or utterance. Then, the researcher also mentions the qualitative approach. According to Creswell and Keegan, the main data are the written data which contains the racism in the novel entitled Edgar Allan. Next is the portrayal of discrimination towards female character in the Hidden Figure novel. In this study, researchers used qualitative research as a research method. The researcher uses the film The Hidden Figure as a data source. The data are taken from the narration and dialogue are in the film script. After that, the researcher collects data in the form of phrase, clause, and sentences containing types of discrimination and judgments against the character of black women. Then, racism towards American in Peter Farrelly's Green Book, A True Story. The author uses the qualitative method. Qualitative research is a form of social action that emphasizes the way people interpret their experiences to understand the social reality of individuals. The data sources are primarily data and the secondary data. In the Green Book, film detected by Peter Farrelly in 2018, based on the true story of Tony Vallelonga and Dr. Don Shirley in 1962. From a script written by Tony's son, Nick Vallelonga, while secondary data is taken from history books, journals, encyclopedias, and also internet articles. Okay, next we'll explain by Jannah.
Okay, the next section is finding and discussion. The Article 1 is racial discrimination as seen in Stockett's The Help. The researcher analyzed the status of African American during World War I. In this study's findings, the researcher then included some passages from the novel Stockett's The Help that were relevant to the initial discussion of the study's finding. In relation to racism, white people in America discriminate against black people. African and Americans' representation of injustice and ill treatment experienced by black people both verbally and physically. And the researcher cited things that happened in the novel that we were relevant to this. And what do the people in the story stockets the help to do endure to activities, ill treatment, unpleasant death, and injustice they face? The article 2 is the portrayal of discrimination toward the types of discrimination and the impact of discrimination toward black female character in the Hidden Figure movie. The first is derogation. Derogation includes any act of name calling, color-laden phrases, verbal slips, and testimonials. Rose 139 below in one of the data of derogation found in the Hidden Figure movie. The second one is denial. According to Ross, denial is the act of avoiding context or not giving any opportunity to the minority groups. 145. There are two types of denial based on Ross theory. There is avoidance and segregation. The first one is avoidance. Avoidance is the act of staying away from people with different racial background. Below in one of the data of avoidance found in the Hidden Figure movie. The second one is segregation. Segregation is the act of setting up barrier between a group to the other group who are considered unworthy of normal social interaction. Here is the example of act of segregation found in the Hidden Figure movie. After the analysis, the researcher found that out of three types of discrimination, only two of them found in the movie. Those are derogation and denial. The data of derogation were uttered by white women, and black men. It was found that the data contain the aspect of racism and sexism because there are action of discrimination toward black people and the white people, and that did not want to have direct interaction with black people. For segregation, if it become the most dominant types of discrimination found in the movie because of the restrictive regulation which separated some public facilities and limit the minority. The Article 3 is an analysis of the racial discrimination suffered by Edgar Allan in John Neville's Edgar Allan. The researcher discussed the form of racial discrimination experienced by Edgar Allan. He gets some bad biases treatment done by the white people of Mr. Pickett and his social environment. The action of some people who do some resistance to Edgar Allan are varied. It can be from the social educational, institutional, and etc. It is seen from the social equality that the American people at that time did the quality of different people. Edgar Allan got his privilege as well, even though his new brother has a white color, so that an anti-black feeling can make the Edgar Allan feel discomfort rather than happy. circumstance regarding racial discrimination against African American. This is illustrated in Jim Crow laws in this period where there are typical places where American and African American do not deserve to be served in the same place, especially for using the upscale suite. As indirect discrimination caused by the role of Jim Crow law, white people have great power to regulate condition. White people greatly took over the control right and status of other race. Actually, Dr. Don Shuren knew he would be dealing with racial issue in this concert tour, but he ended to do so to change the stigma of white people against people of color through his extraordinary talent as a composer. He threw that great talent manners, unlike the stereotype Negro behavior, and well, might change the stigma of white people. The data shown are the only dialogues and circumstances regarding racial discrimination against African American. In racism, the act is referred to as prejudice against African American. They think that people of color will harm white people, so they need to be careful. They even call these black people with bad term as sex of charcoal, which mean black people are dirty like sex of group as a if they are something that is inappropriate to goods used by white people. This phenomenon is depicted in the film as it happens in really when James Crow lives in Indonesia. Okay, the comparison of four selected article in finding and discussion. Overall, the four article discuss racial discrimination based on skin color by white people against black people. The form of discrimination that black people get include bad treatment, unpleasant action, and the injustice they face. Discrimination article in Article 1 represent the injustice and ill treatment experienced by black people both verbally and physically. In Article 2, the register mentioned in detail the form of discrimination described by the character in the film, such as the derogation, and denial. There are two types of denial based on Ross theory, avoidance and segregation. Example of such discrimination include the use of different means of transportation based on skin color and many more. The acts of discrimination in Article 3, there are some people who commit racial acts against Edgar Allan in the form of social discrimination, education, institution, and so on. The form of discrimination in Article 4, where Americans and African Americans do not deserve to be served in the same place, let alone to use the upper class white people have great power to regulate condition. They, which is white people, think that people of color will harm white people, so they have to be careful. Okay, that's from my explanation. The next part will be explained by Reka Melinda.
Okay, conclusion next. First article is racial discrimination as in is to get the help. The author can conclude that the help describe the reality that is still happening in our daily life, past and present. It's not much different about what problems the black race face. The main problem is because they are black race and were born with that black color. They are always treated badly with harsh words and even worse behaviors. Next, the second article is the portrayal of discrimination towards female characters in the Hidden Figures movie. The author concludes that the Hidden Figure movie finds that there are two types of discrimination experienced by black female characters, namely degradation and treatment of white people in the form of humiliation and rejection, avoidance and separation. Next. Okay, the third article is an analysis of the racial discrimination suffered by Edgar Allan in John Neville Edgar Allan. This research is about racism, with the writer found some intolerance of racial discrimination produced by many characters in the novel. First, racial discrimination suffered by Edgar Allan. They have been found some theories of racism, namely aversive racist attitude, individual racism, intellectual racism, interpersonal racism, and for experience of prejudice. Next. Okay, the last article, Racism Toward African American in Peter Perley Green Book, a true story. Based on the result of the study, the author concludes that racial discrimination against African American does occur and is depicted in the film Green Books. It is based on the true story of Tony Vallelonga and the experience of Dr. Don Shirley. The historical context of Jim Crow laws, racial discrimination, the difference between white and people or of color are reflected in the film as in his story, mostly about the difference in place area facilities, quality of good between America and African American, which tragically opposes racial discrimination. Okay, that's all for me. Explain introduction.
Well, okay. Thank you, Reka, Nisa, and Jana for your explanation and comprehense. Well, that's all from our group. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.